Put a straw in the drain in the sink. You'll be surprised how well this simple trick works. A regular straw turns out to be incredibly useful. For this trick, you'll need a plastic straw. You probably have one at home. You'll also need scissors. With the scissors, you'll make an extraordinary straw. You need to make cuts in several places. See how I do it. Don't cut the straw in half. Just make angled cuts. Make several of these cuts. 2 cuts close together are enough. If you cut out the small part between them, you'll create a sharp tooth. Just cut out a few of these teeth on one side of the straw, and then on the other side. Each cutout must have a sharp tip. See it again. This time I used smaller scissors. It's easier to cut out these small elements with them. Many people have problems with water drainage in the sink or shower. It gets blocked by hair falling in there. Not always do specialized liquids handle them well. But thanks to this trick, you won't have to call a plumber to unclog the drain. Just insert such a straw. Insert it as deeply as possible. If you have smaller openings in the sink, use a thinner straw. Just move it around for a while. All the hairs that were in the drain will get tangled in the straw. Just throw them away, and you're done. The drain will be like new.